Hi to all. Today we are going to learn about tenses. A tense is a form of a verb which tells us a time of action or state of completeness. There are mainly three tenses in English. Every tense is divided into four types. You can see here a chart of tenses: present tense, past tense, and the future tense. And each tense divided into four types: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Tenses are the form taken by a verb to show the time of action or the state of any event. There are three main types of tenses: the present tense, the past tense, the future tense. Each of the three tenses has three subdivisions to show the continuity or completeness of the action and time. These are simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. As we see in this chart, we have seen this tenses three types: present tense, past tense, future tense. And coming to present: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Coming to past tense: simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous tense. Coming to future: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. So mainly three tenses and divided into four. 3 4s are 12. Total 12 tenses. Present tense. Present tense expresses an unchanging, repeated, or any action that exists only now. So present tense explains the actions took place in the present, the actions which are going on in present, the actions which is happening in present. The rules of this tense: simple present tense. The structure of common sentence is subject plus verb plus object. So every tense depend on the same structure, but the only thing is verb form will change and helping verbs will add. So simple present tense structure is subject plus V1 plus object. And if the subject is third person singular, we have to add SRES to the verb. And present continuous tense: subject plus amizar plus V1 ing form plus object. Any continuous action, any continuous tense, we can call it as progressive tense also. Then we can add V1 ing form. Continuous, it should contain V1 ing form. Present perfect tense: subject plus have has plus V3 plus object. Any perfect tense we should add V3 form. It is known as past participle. V1 present form or base form, V2 past form, and V3 past participle form, and V4 ing form. Yeah, these are the name of V1, V2, V3, V4. Next, coming to fourth one: present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus have has been plus V1 ing form plus object. So these are the four tenses in present tense. Coming to next, past tense. Past tense expresses an action or situation that was started and finished in the past. The rule of these tenses are simple past tense structure: subject plus V2 plus object. Here V2 means past form. Past continuous tense: subject plus was were plus V1 ing form plus object. Past perfect: subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Past perfect continuous: subject plus had been plus V1 ing form plus object. So here was were past B forms. Okay, verb forms are different. The type of verbs in that auxiliary verbs, it means helping verbs, B forms. Am is are in present tense, was were in past tense. Okay, coming to next, future tense. Future tense expresses an action or situation that will occur in the future. The actions which are going to do in the future, the actions took place in the future. The rules of the future tenses: simple future: subject will or shall plus V1 plus object. Future continuous: Subject will be plus V1 inform plus object. So little difference here, will be. Future perfect tense, subject will have or shall have plus V3 plus object. Future perfect continuous, subject will have been plus V1 inform plus object. In future we can use will or shall. Mostly we can use a will. Examples of tenses here. You can take any one verb form and you can apply for all tenses. For example here, I play football, I am playing football, I have played football, I have been playing football. And past tense, I played football, I was playing football, I had played football, I had been playing football. Next, future tense, I shall play football, I shall be playing football, I shall have played football, I shall have been playing football. For example, if you take any helping verb, any verb, you can add here example. Change the verb form and add your own helping verbs and write your own chat. Okay. For example, I'm watching TV. I watch TV. I have watched TV. I have been watching TV. I watched TV. I was watching TV. I had watched TV. I had been watching TV. I will watch TV. I will be watching TV. I will have watched TV. I will have been watching TV. You can take one example. Go. I go to school. I am going to school. I have gone to school. I have been going to school. I went to school. I was going to school. I had gone to school. I had been going to school. I will go to school. I will be going to school. I will have gone to school. I will have been going to school. So these are the example. You can write your own. Just change the verb form. The tense will change. So thank you. Thank you for learning and practice. Practice makes man perfect. So the more you practice, the more you can learn. Okay. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching till the end.